Alright, make a move, go on a work, you know? Yeah, do a little servicing for the car there. Not doing any park, so I head out. So fast, we can do it before the rain come down back again, you know? Yeah. So, yeah. I try and navigate through Jamaica's baddest predators on the road, you know? Potholes. Well, I tell you, them present everywhere. Everywhere you go in Jamaica, you can't find them. You have to be careful because they will walk out by you too. Yeah. So, just taxi man. What exit? Just stop without no indicator. Alright. Safety first. Go out on the main, you know. Look left and right, not now forward, out the road. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, blind, right, that's it. Come through. Alright. So you have to give and take, you know, you have to give blind so you can get blind. That's how the road runs. If you just mean and stay selfish, you don't get no blind. You'll cause problem on the road. You understand? So you have to use the roads properly and wisely, you know? Cops them out. Cha-cha. So taxi man drive. Wanna use no indicator to swing over. Yeah man. Reach at the park, so I make the call now, and then I reach at the vehicle, then I catch up back with them, you know?
Buying the service parts at Bert's. engine oil, oil filter, and air filter. The spark plugs were in good condition. The rear shocks will be changed the next time. Brand new serpentine belt. This is a 2015 Toyota Corolla. The old cabin filter.
Whoever used to service this before, them end up break off all the anchor point them for the filter housing. So this tight bad and in our pull. Tight bad. So no. Alright guys, first me have to actually change one of them here since me I service a vehicle, because them 3 point here, all 3 points break off of the car me I service. All of them here gone. You understand? So me have to try and mash up that one there with up on it to get it off. So make sure try to get the new one first before me actually try mash up that one there, because once that mash up, you know the vehicle can't drive, can't start. I'll go leak all about. So head back you know and try do the dope on that part right there, you know. See if we can mash it up and get it out. Yeah man guys, see that? This definitely gone bad. Because all of the 3 anchor points them for the tool basically the break off.
The oil filter cap part number.
So the new one here with the anchor point them, as I showed earlier. Set up on all its anchor point them same. So the tool in return to work like this. See here? So that's how the tool works. So this is the tool that you should use to pull the oil filter housing. Yeah, here. Same number here. Yep. So I'll install the new filter now. Filter. Install that here. New O-ring seal. Work right on here, so. See here on the old one. See right there, so. So I'm gonna install this new one now. Alright. New seal install. Time to screw it up now. So location for this is right here. Yeah, so just put it up like that. Make sure I don't cross thread it. Screw it in with the hand first, as far as your hand can carry to, and then now install the tool. See there? So all I'm have to do now is get a handle that can go in here, so, or a socket that can fit around it. So I'm gonna get that now. Alright, I see if I can fit the ratchet can go inside of the slot here, so I don't know why it not fit in there, so and I can't find a socket can fit that, so I'm just using adjustable for the time being. Just lower it up. After over tightening, all you need to do is just lock it. Just make sure it lock, and you don't have to worry yourself about that either. Yeah man, so just get a little smudge. You don't have to make it too tight, and that will do it. Yeah. So I'll drain the oil now. Alright. Unscrew the bung. drain. You want to run on the other side, huh? Keep back at it there now. Don't have to tighten this too tight either. And I'm going to just wipe up the excess oil run down. Or I can spray it up, but I'm not gonna spray right now. Just wipe it up. Wipe out the filter too. So everything look clean, huh? See that? See that? Alright. Time to throw in the good stuff, huh? Liquid molly. Alright. Alright, heater start up now. Brand new everything start. Check for leaks now under there. Dry and pretty soon, alright. No leaks. Running smooth. Sounding good. So,
Done by Kimani's Auto Repairs and Services.